With Thumbs.ai, you can create thumbnails for YouTube, TikTok, and all your social media video channel. It's as easy as ABC. And once you sign up, you get free 20 credits that will enable you create 10 free thumbnails to test the site. So it's for free, and you can pay thereafter. What you simply do, you come to the website Thumbs.ai and you sign up. So I'll sign up and show you how to create your first thumbnail for your YouTube channel. You can use template. There are several templates you can use on this, and I just go to create thumbnails. You could type your thumbnails. You could create text-based thumbnails, but I prefer the image thumbnails. And under image thumbnails, you could upload your picture direct, or you could use a YouTube link, or you could select from your existing asset. So let me look at this. I want to create a thumbnail for this tutorial on using AI in classroom for teachers. I just drag and drop it there, and I come here and type the text I want to that should be displayed on the thumbnail. How to use AI in classrooms. So I can click to enhance, but I just want it simple. Okay, so let's just make the correction there. You could select template, or you could also add your face. You could add your face to it. If you have your pictures uploaded, you can also change the style. Maybe you want it like this. Anyhow you want it, you could just use any of these as samples. You can go to the advanced, and maybe you want different variations or different resolutions, 16 by 9 or 9 by 16. This is a portrait, which is mostly good for shorts and maybe TikTok, and this standard YouTube. So I want two variations, let's say 16 by 9, and I just click on generate. So once it's done, you just click on download, and you're good to go to use it on your YouTube, TikTok, and any video channel you're using it on social media. Let me know what you think about it. Once you've subscribed, you get free 20 credits for 10 free videos.